It's 3:27 in the afternoon and 102 degrees. Have you ever walked out in the Texas heat and said, "Man, I'm hungry"? Well, just take out your mini cast iron skillet, place it on the sidewalk while you get your emergency cheese stashed in your wallet or purse, get that spare corn tortilla, place the tortilla on the skillet with cheese and fold it in half, and give it about 15 seconds and it's ready to be flipped. Oh yeah, Texas heat is the best. Look at that cheese already melted. Follow me for more sidewalk recipes.